Okay, now Manchester United 4, Newcastle United 1. This one at the return of Ororo CR7, and we get one very ogbongelistic Man United fan here with me. Maybe Oga Albi. Oga Albi, how far now? Tell us how you see the game. Tell us how you see the return of the king today for this match.
As expected, nothing we already waiting happen. I waiting we dey expect. We expect see as income, go show himself. And normal, income add to the improvement of the team. Where we see other players themselves too. They can play better. Everybody now want just say Ronaldo did the feed. Even when Lingard comes, Lingard can't score. Everybody they
Yes.
on their toes. Everybody they put out their best. Even when Bissaka Renos Sabi cross, they try to cross to just make sure see everybody now play they partake for the team. You understand?
No be lie, no be lie. Because me, I agree 100% with this one when you talk. So because as Baba don't show like this, everybody don't ginger, everybody don't
The
activate.
team,
Say,
the team now can't get
senior man, deal.
confidence. Everybody, the team can't get
Yes.
confidence. Everybody. See Fernandez, see Pogba,
Nobody
see
want make mistake again.
I say Jordan Sancho now they do like things and things. And if you say my you go do very big things. This is but make a note to the make a note to hype. But
Yes, no wahala, no wahala.
we go
You want match break small. May not be like say na only accelerator you
do
the match. No be lie, no be lie.
ahead and
But
as
this
it's
one
supposed
na
to be.
Cristiano Ronaldo. This one na Cristiano Ronaldo's second debut for Manchester United after about 12 years ago when he come on for United now. So, but what till you get to
And
talk about this thing where Ronaldo show us today?
you should say him be the goat true. You should say him be one of the biggest, if not to me, him be the biggest player for the country, for the world. Arguably, some fit tossing and Messi, but to me, Ronaldo is the biggest player for the world because he come for your first match. You should your impact show instantly. No be saying already Old Trafford na place where you don't come before. So no be new ground to am. Newcastle na team where you don't play before. So no be new team to am. But it still show say he dey in body normally. No be like say then say
All right, now no be like Oga Albi, you just dey talk am toilet say Baba just show them say
no be
about
choice. Ororo is back.
no be
Expect
choice, no be bobo
us.
juice. So, but like as you
You
talk
know the
am, like you talk as
matters.
you understand, like as you talk see Ronaldo normally deliver for him debut. You understand? Let everybody know say Baba don't come back. But with wetin Ronaldo deliver today in first match, two
Yeah,
goals already. As a
yeah,
Ogbonge United fan, where you be now, what you dey
yeah.
expect from Ronaldo for this season? Like how many goals you dey expect from him?
This um based on say he just come and a new season. No be even based on say as Ronaldo na Ronaldo, I dey give am 20 goals up, 20 and
Yes.
above. No be say na
Okay.
say because for him first match he don record 2 goals. He go even pass am sef. He don already dey break records internationally. He don break record both for team and country side.
Now record
He dey
breaker
break
normally.
record steady.
No
And
be
this
lie.
so I believe say Man U now currently man no dey rush. Man no say we be title contenders, but I believe say Man U this season go collect trophy. One
All
thing,
right.
Man U now,
Okay.
may nobody overwrite Man U again. May nobody look down on Man U. We are getting there.
All, all right. No be lie, Baba. You don't talk how you see him. Real quick, make we just enter the player rating. You understand? Make we start
Yeah.
from the goalkeeper when be the girl. What you go rate the girl for this match? You go rate the players them on a scale of 1 to 10. What you go rate the girl?
As for the girl, I go give am 8 because he makes some save apart from the only goal wey dem score and what I feel say no be in fault. He play very well. He make very great saves today. So I'll give am 8.
Okay.
Then
What
as
you go
for
rate
Bayern,
Wan-Bissaka?
Wan-Bissaka to in come out to invest today, in try, in defend
Mm.
normally. I'll give am 8 too. Then for Maguire, I've been not really today impressed with Maguire. Especially for that, he get in slide when they counter us to go score. He make one tackle when no collect, when no fit cover the ball. So him, I'll give am 6.
Okay.
I'll give Varane 8 too. Then Luke Shaw try. I'll give Luke Shaw 8. Then for midfield, Matic really impressed me because when match start, as I see Matic at the verse, see Matic no go fit mark ball. See this Matic, if to say McTominay or Fred for the preferable than this Matic because Matic they kind
Mm.
of slow. But Matic now give us team possession where he sabi control ball. Once he hold ball, he get composure and he need the rush. So I go give Matic 8 too. Then Bruno Fernandes like this go collect 9 because Fernandes
Okay.
score one kind goal wey normally we know say na wetin dey do, but winner we fit say as
Yes.
Ororo don dey, so everybody go wan
Yeah.
dey give Ororo ball, so other players no go fit do their thing individually again. But
Normally.
Fernandes still show say him be Bruno Fernandes, so I go give am 9. Then
All
Pogba go
right.
collect 8.
Easy let people know saying day. Mona, no
Yes,
forget me.
that go sweet all my body like this. Pogba go
All
collect
right.
8.
Then what about Pogba?
Pogba go
Okay.
collect 8. Him try. Jordan Sancho, him try you. I see 1 or 2 skills dem wey do entertainment now to
Mm.
entertain
The fans.
fans dem. So finally, who played the other wing? Greenwood. Greenwood try. Greenwood and
Greenwood.
Lingard. Then try. I'll give Greenwood 8 too. But Ronaldo go collect 10.
All right. Now 10 for Baba based on say him a senior man. Based on say
Ronaldo
him
no.
did him. Yeah, what do you talk, Baba?
I say because
What
it's
do you
not
talk
easy
about
to
Ronaldo?
just come your first match,
Mm.
your debut, and you score 2 goals.
Okay. Then what do
You
you go
still
on
show
give
people say yes, say now
Lingard?
he be Ronaldo.
No be lie you talk.
Lingard
What
will
do you go on
come,
give
still
Lingard?
try score.
Mm.
Lingard go collect. Lingard go collect 7. Him try, but he go collect
Okay.
7 because he no play
Okay.
full match. He just come and the impact. The air rumor saying won't come out, but I don't know
Mm.
if he go dey from bench. They play. Lingard really impressed me. Immediately he come, he do things inside
Mm.
18, still score.
All right.
So
What
Lingard go
about
hold 7.
okay? What about Anthony Martial and Van der Beek? They no play till like how many minutes of the game that they play? But what do you go just give them?
Marshall, I dey very disappointed at Marshall since he come Man U. Marshall no dey
Mm.
since no be since he come Man U. Him bin dey play during Van Gaal and a little bit of Jose Mourinho time. But since Ole come, since he
Mm.
go injury come back, Marshall never dey play up to Marshall again. He no dey fit do all those in agility wey no fit take ball from him leg and those in small small
Mm.
solo runs dem wey dey do once. Marshall no really dey impress me again. So Marshall, I'll give am 5. I no dey impressed. Then Van
Okay.
der Beek, I'm not sure if Van der Beek touch ball past 10 times for that pitch. So
All
Van der
right.
Beek go collect 5 too with Marshall.
Okay, now Oga Albi, before I go let you go, you don't do player rating, you don't tell us how you see him, you don't tell us about the way the game suit you for your body. With what Ororo 7, CR7 play today, and waiting other players for that Man U team deliver today. Now, what do you dey expect from Man U this season?
Man, I dey expect a lot from them. I get high hopes this season. I dey feel say the team, if no be say I dey try hold myself, I wan see na title contenders currently because we complete for back. A player like Varane, na World Cup winner, na world class player, in dey for that
Mm.
defense. A player like Bruno Fernandes, na Portuguese international, na very big player, former for Sporting wey dey, na him dey captain dem. He don carry Man U already, na him dey carry Man U since. A player like Pogba,
Mm.
na World Cup winner too, and he dey the team, and a very big player. A player like Jordan Sancho, one of Dortmund, their best players, he still dey the team. A player like Cristiano Ronaldo, so the team get squad, both midfield and attack and defensively. Maguire na England captain, so if Harry Kane no dey, na Maguire the captain sometimes.
Yes.
So the team now currently na complete team, so they no get excuse from back to forward except say dem go get injury crisis. But without
Okay.
injury, na in testing time be this because he has no excuse. You have
Mm.
from back to front line. All you have to do is to deliver. Ronaldo is one of the best striker. Pogba and Fernandes are one of the best midfielders, and Varane and Maguire are one of the best defenders. So you just have to utilize what you have.
Okay, now no be lie,
So
Oga
now the
Albi.
thing.
Thank you as you take give us your time like this. You understand, and we hope
No
say
wahala.
you go use this 4-1 victory against Newcastle to owe your body for the rest of the weekend. You too
I
much,
said
Baba.
throughout this weekend, my body they torturing me.
You know, be lie, no be lie. You too much. Thank you for your time.